So this is day 2 of my vlog of document versus create. So if you don't know what I'm talking about, just watch the video which has number 001. So basically I want to summarize what happened with me today. So today I just discovered about a app called as, not app, it's a website. It's called as appsumo.com. So in appsumo.com you can buy some lifetime deals, or I will take with an example. So let's say there is canva.com. It's a graphic designing tool you all might be knowing. So if you get a lifetime subscription of canva.com, that even that too legally at an one time price, that's what happens in appsumo.com. The companies which just start, they come to get a small audience because appsumo has some active audience, and these companies sell their accounts for the prices which they don't officially launch in their actual sites, and that's what make appsumo better. And I invested around $88 on appsumo. I purchased $39 pepper type.ai and $49 promo republic. So pepper type.ai helps me to generate content ideas, and promo republic helps me to post social media posts on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook automatically, so that my involvement is less on social media. It automatically posts once I schedule it. Even it has some editor. If you are interested, you can get 10% discount if you use my reference code, which will be in the description below. So I just did a promotion as well, but that was not a part of what I thought to share. Okay, apart from that, uh, I posted for the you might be knowing about Instagram new feature. If you don't know, all it does is let's say you do a post on Instagram, and it has a button of selecting your favorite content creator and uh, inviting them as collaborator. So if they accept your invite as a collaborator, the same post will be posted in both accounts. And let's say their followers likes it, your follower likes it, their followers comment, all will be same in both the site. It works something like that. And because I did a podcast with Shreya, I took a help of a graphic designer who is called as Ishika Jain. And huge shout out for you, Ishika Jain. Thank you so much for making beautiful graphics. And yeah, Shreya liked it and she accepted my collab request. She is so kind actually, because when I saw Shreya first time, even everyone might be thinking that she has reached to certain position and she might be arrogant, something like that. But actually she is not. When I spoke to her in her presence itself, I understood that she is a very humble person. I never even imagined that humble person is Shreya. And yeah, her book, even her book, you feel like she herself is talking in a polite manner. It's something like that. Even this was not a part of the video, but I just said in a flow. And apart from that, for video editing also one person helped me. For graphic design, Ishika Jain helped me. And apart from that, one of my friend wanted me to lend him some money. I did that because he wanted to make some immediate decisions which might change his life. So I just allowed him to do that. Then apart from that, I am an intern at Sell It Like Swastik, which whose CEO is Swastik Nandakumar. He is my favorite mentor. And apart from that, I am an intern at Digital Deepak, whose CEO is Deepak Kanakraju. And related to my college, I am in an internship by BitSpark Technology, Mysore. It is like I have to build some front end website and I have to work on it. I still haven't. And apart from that, yeah, I totally forgot about this. I already knew about it a bit by Alexander Fasulo, but today Ishan Sharma made a video out of it. So basically, LinkedIn in coming 3 months is about to launch its own freelancing platform. So just imagine, when compared to freelancing sites like Fiverr, Upwork. These sites even spammers join easily, but LinkedIn has a big reputation. In LinkedIn, it's not that easy for a spammer to like enroll, because he has to use his original name, original photo, and many other like complicated stuff is involved when someone creates a LinkedIn profile. But it's not the same with the Fiverr, Upwork, and stuff. They this freelancing platform made buyer's entry really easy because they want more customers. But LinkedIn is a very professional and it has billions of active users, and that's make and that I think LinkedIn freelancing will bring a huge revolution. And right now I think that freelancing site is in its beta stage. Thanks for Ishan Sharma's video. Now I know about it, and Ishan Sharma provided like LinkedIn has a secret group right now, where unlisted group. So where if you apply and get selected into that group, you can request for permission to use that beta freelancing platform. Now you might not know its potential, but just imagine when Fiverr just launched, whoever joined today they are Fiverr pro sellers, and now you all might be telling that Fiverr has a huge competition, but LinkedIn is about to start in coming 3 months. So stay tuned. LinkedIn has some huge potential, and for the early people, it will be crazy. And apart from that, like I was feeling a bit dizzy, and like I have fever, cough, and sore throat. My voice is changed from yesterday. So, but still, I am making this video because I want to document my journey, whatever happens day to day, and I want to post it no matter how my background is, how my camera is, or something like that. Uh, but I was feeling dizzy, and I had a low mood. I tried to reaching out to two of my best friends, and they were busy. And then I reached out uh, to my one school time best friend, and after speaking to her, I felt really good, and my mind was completely healed, and I felt the energy again, and I came to start my work. And there is a platform called as Graphy Select. Okay, it's not Graphy Select, it's Graphy. So what Graphy does is it gives you some potential. If you are a content creator who don't have resources, who sorry for that, who don't have resources, and who uh, want who don't have proper mentorship and stuff, you can apply Graphy Select. So when you apply Graphy Select, you might get a chance to be mentored and get trained by people like Ranveer Albadia, Flying Beast, and many other very famous YouTuber. You can search by the name Graphy Select. So I created my profile in an attractive manner. I also made a video on why they should select me, and I wish that out of all, they are only selecting 50, and I want to become one of that 50, because I am really passionate to teach. And apart from that, I also had attended one more Zoom call today, which is I won't reveal that company's name because it's not right, uh, right to some extent. So what this company did is they are they have a franchisee kind of model, and they want us to be teachers and teach science and maths from primary till 10th standard online remotely. All the requirement was we should have a camera and a laptop, proper internet connection, and one headphone or something which has a voice as well. And I was super excited to get an opportunity to teach all over India and outside the world as well. Even pay was good, but the only problem is it has some security deposit. So basically it's not a security deposit, they termed it as some fees because they will be providing you materials and stuff. So they, but how can I invest on a company which I don't exactly know, and it's almost new to the market, and that's why I'm not taking part in that, because it has a security deposit of 7,500 rupees, which is huge. And that's about it. Oh, sorry, my. And that's about it. Yeah.